Gumede lured Kwezi to the rooftop, convincing her to jump using LJ. Clement told Lehasa about what Kwezi did, and now Lehasa is asking questions. Togo and Alfred are taking things to the next level, and Mandoli is already going to be a problem for this relationship. And Umesakulu disappeared and did not book for the choir. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scheme Sam. So Ukwezi no Nkosi took them on a getaway over the weekend to just get Kwezi's mind off things. Apparently Umaga Dele will get away, she was fine. Now that she's back home, she decides, well, so you know what, I'm gonna stay at home, you go and get like business. So I stay home and relax. Ahambe ke uNkosi emsebenzini. Now uClement once they start questioning about Kwezi and everything that's going on online, uClement decides to tell uLehasa that uKwezi came to the house in pajamas. Ngathi she's hallucinating, did not even know where she was or that she drove herself there. Kanjani Clement when you got the job back because you promised Kwezi that you're not going to say anything to Lehasa. Now Clement has sold Kwezi out. Now Lehasa is going to ask questions and might also take LJ away from Ukwezi because he's now saying Ukwezi uyahlala. And then he goes to Level Cafe to ask Ujabu what exactly happened. Ujabu tells him, hey, it's like this person who hallucinated because it was like she's not here. Like attacked me, threw things at me. Now Lehasa is convinced there's something wrong with Kwezi. Kwezi now is left at home because Ukosi went to work and she said that she wants to stay home and just relax and rest. Jiggy now Kwezi someone Ugumede is convincing her Kwezi, just admit that you're guilty. Ukwezi is busy begging her. No, please Gumede, please. Kwezi thought maybe Gumede so me because go get away. Gumede was not saying anything, was not appearing Ukwezi. Now Gumede is saying I warned you, you did not listen. Now Gumede tell to LJ. She's begging Ukumede, please don't take my son, rather take me, leave my child alone. LJ is innocent. Kanjani when Ukumede wants to do something that is going to convince her to confess. Ukumede wavela qukule LJ, saying umuntu usala kutshela sibona ngomopho, you refuse to listen to me. So now your act. Ukumede wavela qukule LJ. Kwezi tries to reach out inyawo zibophile. Ukumede then disappears no LJ. And then Lehasa comes rushing to the house. Maybe Nanda uvulele obani because Ukwezi made it clear Dakalo angamvulele and the security guard angamvulele. Now they're coming in, some expert to where's Ukwezi and where's my son. And then now Dakalo realizes how Musi Ukwezi was here, no LJ, so it means now they disappeared. And then they start looking for Ukwezi. Unkosi comes and says Dakalo failed at doing her job because how can she leave LJ no Kwezi without attending to them? LJ. Now they're looking for Ukwezi. The security guard says that Ukwezi is still in the building. She didn't go anywhere. Then they find a confirmation that Ukwezi is actually on the roof. Imagine, Ukwezi is up there. Ugumede is convincing Ukwezi to jump off the roof. Now Ukwezi Sham is saying, please take me away, LJ, take me. She's busy begging Ugumede. Now she's on the edge, roofing. Pants. She has to, Ugumede instead of LJ. She wants to save her son. Ugumede is like, it's fine. I'll jump Kwezi. Is Kwezi going to jump or they're going to come right on time and save her? Because exactly the Ugumede means it's so sad. I wonder what LJ in this situation. He's probably sitting at some corner somewhere and only has some tata. Honestly, this because Ukwezi is now an unfit mother. And then Umantulu asked her, how I came to your house over the weekend and you were not there. Where were you? Ustoga says, yo ma, I'm too much to have you questioning me about my whereabouts. And then quite a things, maybe she's found someone. But Mantulu say, that would drive me crazy. Nanjan Mantulu when Ustoga is an old woman. Why is it that she only supports Irishika Pretty, when Lehasa just because Lehasa is rich, but the others she doesn't? Ustoga is an old woman. Is she supposed to stay single forever? Papa is happy. Umntana is worried with how Papa no lijwang usetshule wani ka weekend yo. He was not alone. Nana is talk. And then he saw 2 bottles of wine and he's worried to me Papa is over drinking. And he had company. He quickly called him to order area overstepping. Mind you, Mr. Kulu has disappeared and did not make bookings for the choir to go to Joburg. He did say that he didn't want to go and because it's high risk for him. Jiggy Jiggy decided, you know what, because they insisted, even though he kept asking for someone to fill in for him, they kept insisting. Now he decided he's just going to run away. Mr. Kulu just disappeared. And then now they're thinking it's because Mr. Q was putting pressure on him. Usithoka no they're even kissing at the office. Good relationship, they're taking it to the next level. They almost got caught. No, Carol. Imagine if Carol catches them in the act kissing in Mavango's office. They'll never hear the end of it because all the teachers will know. Kamo, Maroti is spiraling. Apparently, his business is not going on. Workers were not paid. Maureen is even quitting. Now he even went to attack Tibo, attack Cat first, saying they will ruin his business. He even went to attack Tibo, saying they have all this big house because of corruption. Now they're ruining his business because Kanjani Mahoma. Well, you also were eating. Now if they decide to come clean, we're not Zanaka. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.